Hello, Banu.
Yes, Rajesh.
Yeah, Banu, please start the class. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I already shared that registration form link, feedback form link. Okay. Can you
Okay.
please share, guide the candidates after complete of the class? Please fill that form. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Once remember, I will give that host permission to you. I will again connect you at 4:40. Okay.
Okay. Fine.
Yeah. Please start the class.
Okay.
Take.
Hello, everyone. So welcome you all to this Salesforce program. Okay. Just give me 1 minute. Okay. So guys, let's start with like what exactly Salesforce is and why we need that Salesforce now and in which platform Salesforce working.
It is a customer relationship management basically.
Okay. Anyone?
For example, any client they have any project or consult to Salesforce.
Okay. On it, in which platform Salesforce working? Anyone?
I don't know.
Okay. Like we start with like. So let me start with guys. What exactly the Salesforce is? Salesforce is stand for CRM. Salesforce basically a CRM, and CRM stand for is a customer relationship management. What exactly meaning of the customer relationship management is like we are manage the customers. We are manage like how process is working and everything. And it in which platform Salesforce is working? Salesforce working on the cloud computing platform. Okay, guys, and what exactly means like what exactly means of the cloud computing? See, what the meaning of the cloud computing is like earlier what we are doing, we are using a like everyone using the personal computer, and every personal computer has a limitation to store a particular criteria. Like your computer has have like 1 TB hard disk, so you can store only the data limited to the 1 TB hard disk. But in the while you are using the cloud computing, there is no limitation of data. Like we can say depend on other thing, so you can store unlimited type of data. And why that Salesforce is in so demand and cloud computing so demand, let's discuss with this thing, because this is something like very important. Correct. So guys, like what earlier company are doing, the company which have so much money, and what they are doing in earlier, they have a infrastructure to store the data. Like you are going to the company and they have infrastructure to store the data. Whatever data they have, they are storing somewhere, someplace they are storing the data. But what the meaning of the cloud computing is, they are storing the data in a remote server. We exactly don't know the where the location it is. And why it is so beneficial to storing the data in a remote server? Like I will tell you, like if you are doing a business, and what the ultimate aim of the business is, like to doing profit, that's it. So like you are a company, and somewhere in a night or somewhere in your mind you have some brilliant idea or some brilliant strategy to I mean increase your customer database. So what you have done, you come with a brilliant idea, you execute that brilliant idea, but what about that customer come to you overnight? How can you store the data of that customer that come to you overnight? So in that case, cloud computing helping you. Cloud computing, what he's doing, like he's storing the data. It doesn't matter how much data it is or where the data comes. It stores the data. I mean, it have capacity to store the data, billions of data overnight. So that is the plus point we have with the cloud computing of the Salesforce. What earlier is doing, like we need to create a first infrastructure to store the data. I mean, without infrastructure, if you have some brilliant idea or a brilliant service, how can, if some so many customer come to you, so how can you store that data? It's not possible. So in that case, Salesforce is helping you. Salesforce is helping you to store the data. To store the data, it might be come to you overnight or might be come in a pace, in a slowly pace or whatever. So that is what like Salesforce is helping the businesses or customers.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Sir, very good evening.
Yeah. Good evening.
Sir, the Salesforce is for using only for data storing or any others, sir?
Salesforce is like basically what Salesforce doing. Salesforce is a CRM, that is customer relationship management, and it is particularly used for data storing. But we can automate the business as well. That's the advantage with the Salesforce. We can store the data and we can automate the businesses. That is what Salesforce is.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Anyone any doubt regarding what is Salesforce? In which platform
I have
Salesforce
a
is working?
doubt, sir.
Hello.
Yeah, hello, good evening, sir.
Yeah. Good evening.
Yeah, can you difference between the SAP is also having a CRM? Can you
Mhm.
describe about the difference between SAP CRM and Salesforce CRM? Can you describe
See. See what do you know what is SAP?
that? I don't know, sir. I don't know about the knowledge.
Okay. See, like what Salesforce is doing now, Salesforce is not limited to the particular CRM. Like what CRM basic means, like we
Customer
are
will-
particularly dealing with the customer relationship management and basically the sales process only. Correct. But
Yeah,
what
yeah.
Salesforce is like in everywhere, in marketing, in community, in commerce. But SAP is like particularly related to the limited only. But in Salesforce, we have wide range of things. We can do n numerous of things with the help of the Salesforce.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Anyone any doubt?
Sir, are you sharing your screen, sir?
I not shared my screen till now.
Okay, sir. Okay. Because it is not visible, that's why.
No. Anyone any doubt till now? What is Salesforce and in which platform Salesforce is working and what exactly it is?
How much requirement for the Salesforce, sir? I mean, on the-
How much requirement? What means in terms of what?
it is a fresher or experienced candidate.
Well, it depends on your skill set, how much scalable you are. If you are a good scalable and you are done everything with the Salesforce, there is no, I mean, there is no like fresher or experience, something like that. If you are capable to do things, you can do. It might be some problem when you are a fresher, but as you are moving forward and you are getting some experience by doing some hands-on, so it's nothing, not a big deal to getting a job.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Anything you have any doubt related to Salesforce is like see, CRM have so many companies, like we have a Oracle CRM, we have SAP, but like the if you Google it, who's the number one CRM of the world, it simply says Salesforce. That's the power of the Salesforce currently we have in the market. Anyone, guys? Anyone want to ask?
Sir, is it coding related, sir?
Yes, we have coding and Salesforce as well. But like, but Salesforce gives us power to like we can do a numerous of things without coding. But it's also have some functions, or we can say some options are there. If you don't want to be code, you can be a cloud specialist. You can be a cloud specialist one. Like you can go to the marketing, you can go to the like Velocity is currently is booming, or you can go to the commerce. So that particular cloud is not required any skill set related to the coding, but I recommend like if you can do coding, you can do anything. So recommended is like do coding. then only you can, I mean, grow in your career.
How much duration of this course, sir?
How much duration? Like we can say like this is course for the Salesforce admin and development, correct?
Yes, sir.
So we can pile up this course in like 35-40 days. 40 days we can do. See, I'm telling you, I'm giving you the overview of the system, because for doing the development only you have to know the system, how system is work and how the things is. Rest is your work, your practice. But it's my guarantee and it's my surety, if you come with me in this complete course, so you can good with the system. If you really want to learn, if you want to really good in this thing, rest is your hard work and your practice.
Yeah, thank you.
Anyone, anything want to ask related to the Salesforce? Vanita is saying like, will you please explain me again? I have not start yet. I just give a simple introduction related to the Salesforce. Have you joined just now? Vanita is saying. Okay. Okay, let me wait for the 2-3 minutes more. I guess someone more is joining. So guys, I'm asking to, okay, Divya, good evening, Divya. Nagaraj is saying video is not visible. I'm not open my video yet. Audio also not coming. Is it that case? Audio is not coming, guys?
Audio is okay, sir.
Okay, that's good. Okay. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon. Audio is clear. Thank you. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, Lokesh. What type of technical skills should we have, sir? Okay. Okay, that's a good thing. Like if anyone not able to ask the question, please write in chat section so I can clear. But do one by one so that no one answer question is missed. What type of technical skills should we have, sir? You just need one technical skill, like willingness to learn, nothing else. Okay. So if you are okay to learn and open your mind, so you can learn. No worries. And good afternoon. Okay. How to install in this software? Okay. Shri Sai Ram is asking like how to install in this software, sir. No, there is no kind of related to software. It is everything in the cloud. You just need an internet, good internet. So you can access the Salesforce. So there is no need to install anything, correct? And there's a plus point with the Salesforce. Your voice is not audible, Nandini Singh. Hi, is that case? My voice is
No,
not
sir,
audible?
your voice is clear.
It's audible, sir.
Okay. Okay, thank you. And Nandini, okay. Hi, what is the difference between Salesforce developer and a Salesforce admin? What are the skills do required to get the success? Okay. Varra Prasad is asking like Salesforce admin and developers. Like in India, what the scenario is, there is no separate admin. If you're going outside the India, there is so many jobs related to the Salesforce admin as well. But in India, there's a developer who can handle both thing, development and the admin. So admin is like who are doing all the point and click tool, and development developer is like who are doing point and click tool development and also handle the coding skills, correct? So this is the difference between a Salesforce admin and developer. Should I repeat again or are you okay, guys? Hello. Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you everyone. Okay. Classification and lightning. You tell us, sir. Classification and lightning. Please continue. Where can we get recording session of this course? Ramya, I don't know about this. Please contact your coordinator regarding this. I don't know where you can get the recording sessions. I don't know about this. Salesforce type. See, Salesforce is a cloud platform, and we have different cloud for the different application. Like when Salesforce is started, it start with a default cloud that is called Sales Cloud, and after that we have Service Cloud, we have Marketing Cloud, we have Commerce Cloud. We have so many clouds. So what Salesforce doing? Salesforce doing like purchasing the different company and acquiring the Salesforce. Like what Marketing Cloud earlier is like called Exact Target. Now Salesforce purchased the Exact Target and name as Marketing Cloud. Same as CPQ, same as Commerce Cloud. So they are purchasing the different company and name the specific cloud for the specific platform. If any programming learned before the Salesforce, no need to learn any programming. If you are good with the Java, this is a plus point, but I guess no need. What is purpose? What is the purpose of the Salesforce? Simple: to increase the business, to increase the marketing, and to know the 360 view of the customer, what your customer is. Correct? Okay. Anything, anyone? Any question? We are good. Which is the best to learn Salesforce Classic? No. Vara Prasad is asking like which is best to learn Salesforce Classic. Everything is now Lightning, so no need to learn the Classic. We have to do in Lightning, Salesforce Lightning. Correct. Okay, so I end up the question session. I guess anything related to before starting the anything you have any doubt related to the Salesforce and how it is work, whatever the Salesforce, you can ask in chat section or you can simply ask me. Okay, I guess we are good. Okay, guys. Okay, one more question. Okay, nothing. Okay, so guys, I will take a simple example and I will relate this example to the Salesforce, and then you have a clear picture with like what Salesforce is doing and why Salesforce is doing. Okay. Okay, so can you share my screen? My screen visible, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so how can you access the Salesforce? Just simple, nothing. Login.salesforce.com. Just give your mail ID, username and a password. I will tell you how can you create this thing. Just log in. So how Salesforce looks like. So this is how Salesforce looks like. Correct? So this is a Salesforce, and just click on setting and setup. So this is how Salesforce looks like. So this is, we can in Salesforce language, we can say this is my org. What is org means? Like I already told you, like Salesforce is a cloud computing technology, and in cloud, everyone is working, correct? And in that cloud, we have some defined space, or we can say defined place we are working. I mean, this is whole cloud, and this cloud I have some particular space we are building my stuff. So that is called my org. It has some username, it has some password. So in that call, we can say this is some unique place where I building my stuff. Guys, any doubt related to what is org means?
Yeah, can you repeat again, sir?
Org means this is my space. Like I already told you, like Salesforce is a cloud computing platform, and in cloud everyone is working.
Yes, sir.
So in the cloud, how can I recognize this is my particular space where I build my stuff? So that particular space is called my org, or that has some username and a password.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So okay, correct. Okay, so we have two types. I don't know you knows or nothing. The one is SaaS and one is PaaS. What is SaaS is software as a services, and PaaS is platform as a services. So Salesforce is a SaaS system, software as a services. What does it mean, software as a services? Like if you are using some software, so in that software you have to pay to using particular things. Like this is my org. Now I want to add on something, like I want to add Einstein in this my particular org. So I need to pay to the Salesforce for this system to enable this system in my org. So this is like SaaS system. I need to pay, I have to pay for every single thing to enable this thing in my system, correct? So that is called SaaS system. So Salesforce is a SaaS system. Okay, so guys, let's start. Okay, so guys, in Salesforce we are storing the data. And how Salesforce storing the data? Any idea how Salesforce storing the data? Like, see, Salesforce storing the data in a tabular form. Like if you take an example of Excel sheet, in that Excel sheet, if you are adding some data, so in I will show you. Okay. So this is my Excel sheet. I'm doing. Phone. First time like. Okay, so this is my data. Like I want to store the data like this Akash Singh, Akash gmail.com. I want to store the data, first name, last name, email, and the phone. And this is my object. Like if I want to go, I will tell you everything. Like what is it? Account object. Okay. So now try to relate this thing. So we can say this is my record. This 7 number is my record. This is my account name. This is account site. This is something like that. This is my record. And this is that columns, account name, account site. This is my core field in Salesforce. Like if you go, so you can say, this is my record. And this is called field in Salesforce, correct? This columns are called fields in fields in Salesforce, and this row is called, what is it? Record in Salesforce. If you go to there, yeah, see, this is my record. This is my record. This is my record, and this is my fields. Account name is a field in my account object. So what exactly means of object? Object is nothing. Object is a combination of row and columns. See, this is my object account. If you combine this row and column, this is a combination of the record and fields. It's called my object. This is my called as account object. So if you go to the object manager, see, this is my account object. Actually, this is my all standard object that is provided by the Salesforce. This all are the provided by the Salesforce. That is, we don't need to build. That is already provided by the Salesforce, called a standard object in the Salesforce. And what we build according to the client requirement or according to our requirement is called a custom object. Like if I search here, student. See, this is called student. This is a custom object. How does know it is custom or standard? Custom object is come with the __ C. And standard object, if you see, that does not have __ C. That is simple account. And if you search here as a custom object student, that is come with the __ C. That is called custom. Please mute yourself. Guys, please mute yourself. So that is called object in the Salesforce, correct? So if you know, if someone asking you what is object, so object is nothing but a combination of the row and columns. Basically, what is row means? Row means the record, and column is called field. Okay, so that is already we have so many object in the Salesforce that is called standard object, and what we build according to the requirement, that is called a custom object in the Salesforce. What we will see in next session, like how can you build the custom object and standard object, how can you build the things. Okay, I hope you are clear with this thing. Any doubt in today's session? So we have in session chat. Any YouTube link available? No, I guess. Yeah. Anything you want to ask?
Sir, object is already created or newly created?
See, Salesforce is a CRM, and Salesforce is a CRM. So many objects are already there according to the common requirement for everyone. What we build according to our business is called custom object. We have to build something.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so already
Depends
are
upon
there.
the client requirements, sir.
Yeah, depending on the client requirement and depending on the thing, like what we need, we are built.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Anyone? Any question? Yeah. Can you provide material for preparation, please? Okay, we will see this thing if you have. We will see this thing. So guys, please tell me, are you able to understand what I want to convey, or what I want to say, or what I want to deliver? Is it okay to you? Comfortable with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I want response, everyone in chat section. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yes, yes. Okay, yes. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. It's really appreciable. Okay. Okay, we will start then tomorrow. Like, how can we start building the custom objects and what is exactly mean of the custom? I'm telling you, if you really want to learn this system, then you have to work on yourself, and you just need to check like how the system is work. Rest, we can done. Okay, just your duty is like ready to learn and ready to explore the things. Like, if I'm not getting this, try to search it out. Correct? Yes. Related to real-time work, Lokesh is asking, yes. First, go through with simple thing. If you are do with this thing, you can also deal with the real things, no issue. But you need to spend some time for the real-time work. Okay. Anything want to ask? This is a simple example. Just try to relate with Salesforce with the Excel sheet. We are storing the data in Excel, and that row is called as a record in Salesforce, and that column is called the field in the Salesforce. How can we create the fields? What field exactly means? Whatever we will see in the upcoming classes. Correct? Anyone want to ask? Okay, guys. Guys, one more thing, like we have this session in daily basis after tomorrow also same 4 to 5, but after tomorrow the classes timing should be 6 to 7. Okay,
Sir, can you
because
repeat again?
tomorrow is the same timing, we have class at 4 to 5, but after tomorrow we have class at 6 to 7.
Yeah,
Okay. Thank you so much, guys. So we will meet tomorrow then.
Thank you.
Yeah, Praneeth, are you there? Praneeth, do one thing. Praneeth or Rajesh, or the coordinator of these sessions.
So any YouTube link available, sir? Class?
What? Please repeat.
Class YouTube link available, sir?
No. I guess no link available.
Okay, sir.
Rajesh and Praneeth, are you there?
Sir. Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Sir,
Yes.
can you provide the recordings?
Yeah, related to this, please ask who's the coordinator of these sessions?
I don't know, sir.
Okay, you don't know. Let me clear with this thing, then we will check.
Okay, sir. It is useful for another way to learn.
Oh yeah. That is.
If you any signal problem or anything is there, we follow
Mhm.
recording.
Okay, that's good.
That's why we are asking, sir. No need.
Okay, no issue.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so we'll meet tomorrow. That's fine. Okay, they will update you guys. What according like what about recording session, everything, whatever you have doubt, they will update you. Okay. Okay, guys. We'll meet tomorrow. Bye.
Okay, sir. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.